Hello friends, welcome to the fourth lecture of thermodynamics. Dear friends, in our third lecture, we have studied about work done of various process, heat transfer of various process such as isobaric, isochoric and isothermal. Now friends, we will continue our lecture with work done for adiabatic process. So dear friends, what is adiabatic process? Is a process in which transfer of heat from system to surrounding is zero. So friends, there is no transfer of heat. It is called as adiabatic process. Now friends, we know the first law of thermodynamics for process is dq is equal to du plus dw. Here dq is equal to 0. We know that du is equal to cv dt and we already derived dw is equal to pdv for close work. Now friends, what we are doing? We know that pv is equal to rt. So P is equal to RT upon V. We will put here. Okay friends. Now we are dividing whole equation by temperature. So we get this equation. And now friends, if we are integrating this equation, then this 0 integrated to C, which is constant, and this become CV ln T plus R ln V. Dear friends, again we are using here PV is equal to MRT, T becomes equal to PV upon R. So we write here, and friends, it is same R ln V. Now friends, what we are doing? We are using the properties of log CV ln PV minus CV ln R plus R ln V. Again, what happen here? C is equal to CV ln PV plus R is equal to Cp minus Cv. So we are using here, and what we will get? Cv ln P plus Cv ln V plus Cp ln V minus Cv ln V. This Cv ln V get cancelled with this. So friends, what we will get? We get that C is equal to Cv ln P plus Cp ln V. Now friends, we are dividing this whole equation by Cv. So what we will get? C is equal to ln P, here gamma ln V. We know that Cp upon Cv is equal to gamma. So friends, again what we are getting here? C is equal to ln P, and this gamma become power of V. This is the property of log. Now friends, we are again plus this. This is the property of log. We are plus, and we write this as, and now friends, we are using here antilog, and we will get the relation for adiabatic process, which is PV gamma is equal to constant. Friends, this equation is widely used in thermodynamics. Okay. Now friends, we also this equation in another form, in form of temperature and pressure. So what happen here? We are putting the value of V from PV is equal to MRT. V is equal to RT upon P, and what happen here? We get this P gamma. So cancel 1 P, and we get this equation T gamma upon P gamma minus 1 is equal to C. And this equation is widely used in power plant and RAC. Friends, we will use this equation further. Now friends, if we want to convert this equation in temperature and volume, then what we will do? We know that PV is equal to MRT. So we will put the value of P here, and it is RT upon V, and it is multiplied with V to power gamma and equals to C. So friends, again what happen? We get this T V power gamma minus 1 equals to constant. This equation widely used in IC engine. Friends, we will also use this equation in IC engine, and we will learn about it. Now friends, this is the PV diagram for pressure volume diagram for the adiabatic process. This is our curve of adiabatic process, and area under this diagram is called as work done. This is work done for adiabatic process. Friends, now we will derive the equation for work done. What here? dq is equal to 0, as it is our adiabatic process. So friends, we are integrating it. What happened? Q122 is equal to 0 because it is already adiabatic. Now friends, we know the equation for work done. It is integration from 1 to 2 dW is equal to integration from 1 to 2 P dV. So W1 to 2 is equal to, here integration 1 to 2, we are know that PV is equal to PV gamma is equal to constant. So friends, what happen here? We will get P is equal to C upon V की power gamma. So friends, we are integrating this, and what happens? C is equal to V minus gamma plus 1, and under minus gamma plus 1 we are putting the value from 1 to 2, and we will get, again we are putting the value of C here. So friends, if we solve this, then we will get this equation, which is final equation is, what is the final equation for work done? It is, dear friends, work done from 1 to 2 is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. This is very important equation friends. It is a work done for adiabatic process. Now friends, we are going to prove the change in internal energy is equal to change in work. Friends, how we will prove that? We will know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So we are getting common Cv here, and this Cp upon Cv become gamma minus 1 is equal to R. So friends, we get value of Cv is equal to R upon gamma minus 1. We know the work done is equal to 1 to 2 is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. Okay friends, we know that what is PV is equal to RT. So friends, P1 V1 is equal to R T1, and P2 V2 is equal to R T2. So we are putting the value here and getting this equation. Dear friends, what happened here? We know that Cv is equal to R upon gamma minus 1. So we are putting value here, R upon gamma minus equals to Cv, and this become T1 minus T2. So friends, we know that for adiabatic process, work done from 1 to 2 is equal to change in internal energy is equal to U1 minus U2. Friends, we can prove this also from first law of thermodynamics. Dear friends, we know that dq is equal to du plus dw. So dq is equal to 0, and this change in internal energy is equal to u2 minus u1, and w is equal to work done from 1 to 2. So we will get that work done from 1 to 2 is equal to u1 minus u2. Change in internal energy, here dq is equal to 0. Friends, now we will move to our next, that is work done for polytropic equation. In polytropic equation, there is PV power n is equal to constant. Here friends, this is general equation, and n belongs to, from, this is possible polytropic is n is equal to 1 to n is equal to, it is between 1 and gamma. Okay friends, it is greater than 1 but less than gamma, which is for adiabatic process. Now friends, this is as we know that this is polytropic process equation. So if we put n is equal to 0, then P equals to constant, which is called as isobaric process. If n is equal to 1, then PV is equal to constant, then RT is equal to also constant, then temperature is equal to constant. So friends, it is isothermal process. If n is equal to gamma, then it become PV gamma is equal to constant, which is adiabatic. We already derived. Now friends, if we are dividing this PV power n is equal to constant by power of n, so what happen? P 1 upon n is equal to V is equal to constant. If we will put n is equal to infinity, then this become V equals to constant, then it is isochoric process. We already know this, we already derive about it. Now friends, we will move to our next, that is possible polytropics. What is the possible polytropics? Friends, possible polytropics are between 1 and gamma. Friends, it is equal to 1 or it is maybe equal to gamma. So friends, here n is equal to 0. So friends, it is constant pressure process. If n is equal to infinity, then it is constant volume process. If n is equal to 1, then it is isothermal process. And if n is equal to gamma, then it is adiabatic process. Now friends, we will deriving the equation of work done for the our polytropic process. So we already derived about the adiabatic process, which is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1. Okay, so friends, here we replace gamma with n and we will get the equation of work done for polytropic process. Now friends, we will apply our first law of thermodynamics is equal to dq is equal to du plus dw, and we will put the value of our du and dw here. So friends, this we will get that Cv is equal to R upon gamma minus 1, T2 minus T1, R, this is again PV is equal to MRT. So friends, M is unity, then R T1 minus T2 N upon 1, and we are solving this. We are making this as common, and in bracket we will get 1 upon gamma minus 1 minus 1 upon N minus 1, and we are solving this, and friends, what we will get? We will get gamma minus n upon gamma minus 1 n minus 1 into r t1 minus t2. Friends, we will know that this become work done from 1 to 2, and this become polytropic fraction. Friends, gamma minus n upon gamma minus 1 is equal to polytropic fraction. It is known as polytropic fraction. Friends, so we know that the work done from 1 to 2 is equal to heat transfer from 1 to 2 upon polytropic fraction. Okay friends. Now friends, we will summarize our whole processes by this table. Here first process is isochoric, in which polytropic index is infinity. Heat transfer is Cv T2 minus T1, and there is volume 0. There is change in volume 0, so there is no transfer of work, and PVT relation are P2 upon P1 is equal to T2 upon T1. Now friends, second one is isobaric. So there is polytropic index 0, and heat transfer is Cp T2 minus T1. What is work transfer is equal to P V2 minus V1, and what is relation V2 upon V1 is equal to T2 upon T1. Now friends, our isothermal, in which polytropic index is 1 and heat transfer is P1 V1 ln V2 upon V1 or P1 V1 ln P1 upon P2. Now friends, work done is also same. It is P1 V1 ln V2 upon V1, and for what is relation between PV and T is PV is equal to constant, or P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. And what is reversible adiabatic process? dq is equal to 0, so it is already 0, and PV gamma, so polytropic index is gamma, and what happened? Work done is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1, and the what is relations are PV gamma is equal to constant, T gamma P gamma minus 1 is equal to constant, or TV gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. This is the summary of whole processes friends. This is very important table, and this is whole the summary, and it is must kept in mind. So this is used in solving numericals friends. So dear friends, this is the end of lecture. Thank you very much.